welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be fixing a store-bought slime. I don't know if it's going to be good or not, but we're going to open it soon. So, but before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, let's open the slime. Bag, yes.
That was so satisfying.
Okay.
You got it.
There's another bag.
There's another bag. Ew. Why does this look... There's literally a dried out bit. Oh my gosh. I got it. Oh, I feel the slime up.
Does it feel bad?
Yeah.
Okay. This is going to be a fun fixing video then.
Oh my gosh. Apparently this is slime.
It is kind of like slime.
Not bad.
I'm pretty sure it got a bit dried out. Because
We need to... I know...
scratching is bad.
I need to feel it. Wait, how do you even get this out?
Do you want me to get it out?
No, it's fine.
Okay, it's in the
Okay,
out.
I'm gonna... Watch this. Ready?
Yeah, it's so bad.
Wait, let's see if it does.
The poking's okay. Right, let's get to fixing it.
Ew.
Okay, so let's get to the bowl for fixing the slime and
Bowl.
we can start.
Okay,
So obviously we're using a metal bowl so everything won't just stick to it. And we're gonna just
dump the slime.
dump the slime in.
Get some glue.
Glue.
Clear.
It's clear glue, which I think this is made of clear glue. I hope it is.
And then I'm gonna add some of it in. I don't know if we're gonna need that, but
Just put maybe like half of the cup in. It's not very much.
wait, move.
So just using kids' clear glue. Yeah, kids put a bit in. Okay, stop. That was way too much. That was probably way too much.
Oops.
So we're just using clear school glue.
And okay, now we're going to mix it. Now try. Ew.
What?
Can I try and mix it? Just put it in. I'm trying to mix it.
Hello.
Don't eat it that way. Slide level. No slide level. You can't make it so possible. Slide level. Ew.
Still going.
I don't think it's talking that much, but...
We'll come up to you when it's fully mixed in.
Okay, so we've finished mixing the glue in. It's lovely, but we need to make it a bit bigger.
So we're going to add some of this slime in. And it is my slime, so...
Wait, that's half it, and then we mix half of it in each.
Okay, so I got my bit, you took your bit. I'm
Yeah.
going to mix this into this.
Hopefully it works. Try and get it out. But,
This is also hopefully going to make the colour better.
yeah, but then we can also add some dark purple to make it a bit of a like an indigo-y colour. Or just like a nice galaxy colour.
Yeah.
Because we are sticking with the galaxy theme.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah.
It might, if that's the might not work out very good. But
Since it is, this slime has got sprinkles in,
yeah, but it'll be fine.
so I like this now. I haven't fully mixed mine in.
So
It's nice.
now I think I'm going to add in some kinetic sand. So
This looks so nice.
here we have some. It's not a very good colour, but it probably won't change it too much. So I'm just going to put some in.
I think I'm gonna add some of mine. Some in mine. Okay, this is going to make it like a kind of like a snowfizz texture. If you haven't felt a snowfizz, it's like a crunchy texture kind of, and it's really sizzly. And I think that it's got sand in, so we are going to add some sand to make it kind of
I think it's more like fake snow.
fizzy. Yeah, fake snow. But but make it fizzy. Fizz fizz. Fizz fizz.
Fizz fizz.
We're going to make it fizz fizz.
I think this is better now.
Yeah.
So, let's add these together.
Ooh. And then should we add some new dye?
Yeah.
Purple dye. I'll get the purple dye. Got it. I'm going to mix the first bit in. Then mix the second bit in. Hopefully there's still some.
There might not be, there's not very much left, so it might not work out too good.
Okay, wait, I'm going to try and get most of it.
I think this texture's pretty good.
Movie. That's Bessie.
So just gonna. Okay, we've got some out. Woohoo!
Woohoo. Hopefully that mixes and change the colour. Might not, since we didn't get that much, but I see it. I see it. Do you think it looks like it's changing? Cause oh no, it fell. So we could get more out. So I think that would be a no. No. Always got tissues.
Okay.
Damn. Ooh, nice.
It's a nice colour. So, now I think we're going to add maybe charms. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this slime, all it needs is some
bit of
black dye.
to make it a bit dark.
A bit darker.
Come on, get out. Yeah, you can do it. And then we can add charms.
So I'll mix the dye in while you pick out the charms.
Okay. Okay, so there's a lot of charms here. Okay, I've got some in mind that would be good. Okay. Firstly, I think we should do these stars, because like it matches the theme, galaxy. And maybe, since these are galaxy colours, maybe a tiny bit of zodiac signs.
Yeah, maybe.
And then we could also add, that doesn't really space. Galaxy.
Sprinkles, maybe?
Since there already is some sprinkles in, we can add some of that. Ooh, we can make it like a galaxy themed cake kind of thing.
Yeah.
So galaxy cake, that would be a good idea. And then we can also add some desserts.
Okay.
The idea of the cake.
So, we're going to put it into the pot that we have set up.
I got it. This is the pot. It's a nice little pot. It's a nice little pot.
So,
wait, I think before we do it, we should add some charms and just to like hide it.
just zodiac charms. Okay.
Okay, I think that's good enough. We haven't fully mixed it in, but it will be good enough. I think we should swirl it. I'm good at swirls.
No, let's just do that.
Okay, I'm gonna add them and then I'll put them on the table and then you can put them in. This is going to look so cute. And since there's a sticker on here, then we can write the name on, which is going to be Galaxy Cake. I'll add some tea. Is that random? This is random, I need cake ones. Oh, I can't find dessert things. Found them. No, I haven't.
Okay, so the zodiac signs are on.
Okay, found them. Oh.
And now we're going to add a few stars.
And we've also got desserts to give it like cake like kind of theme. So we're all going for a galaxy cake.
So some desserts on here.
And also there's some stars on there. And then the last charms that we're going to add is some sprinkles to make it like the sprinkles on the frosting of the cake. Okay, it's a bit. This is going to look adorable. also that's so weird. Like, this is going to look adorable. Where's Capricorn? Is this a Capricorn? I don't know if that's Capricorn.
Okay, this is our slime. Now we have to think of a name.
Galaxy Cake.
Yeah, okay.
We need a pen, so we're gonna go get a pen and then we'll write it up. Okay.
Okay, now we have the slime ready. We're going to write the name on with this pen.
It's called Galaxy Cake because
it has some cake charms in it and some sprinkles, and it's a galaxy colour. So, after we've finished writing the name on, we're going to mix it in. And the cake is going to be spelled with 2 K's.
Galaxy Cake.
It's spelled with 2 K's.
There's a bit of uniqueness.
Yeah. Now we're going to mix it
Uniqueness.
together. Dun, dun, dun.
That looks so satisfying. Oh, look. Is this going to... Okay. Can I have a go?
Feels amazing.
Oh.
I think it is a 9.5 out of 10.
Yeah. All we need is... What do you think?
Maybe like a 2 hill as well.
Yeah.
But I think it's really, really,
Good.
really good.
Okay. Okay, so now we're going to spread out the slime and you can see it properly.
It is super cool. It's a bit bouncy. Well.
Okay, so we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, like and subscribe. And we will see you next time. Bye! Bye!